If you're stuck choosing between the Panasonic Lumix L10 and a Ricoh GR, it really comes down to one question: versatility or portability. The Lumix L10 is basically your all-in-one creator camera. You get a sharp 20MP micro four thirds sensor, a super versatile Leica 24-75mm zoom lens, an OLED viewfinder, and a fully articulating touchscreen. Plus, it shoots incredible 5.6K and 4K slow-motion video, so if you're into travel content, vlogging, or hybrid shooting, this thing is loaded. Now the Ricoh GR is a completely different vibe. It's minimalist, pocket-sized, and built for pure photography, especially street photography. Its larger APS-C sensor gives you cleaner low-light shots and better dynamic range, and Ricoh's famous snap focus makes capturing fast moments ridiculously easy. So which one's better? If you want one camera that does photo and video really well, go with the Panasonic Lumix L10. But if you're all about discreet, everyday photography and want the best image quality in your pocket, the Ricoh GR wins, no question.